Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You guys might be wondering, why am I this color? You maybe read the caption, but look, I'm going to be trolling people in the lobby with this color. And if you want this color code, I'll give it to you guys at the end of the video. Let's go. Gotta go. I'm going to be trolling people. Like, I'm going to hide in the leaves so they can't see me. Then yeah. I'm gonna turn it to infection. I'm gonna change my name to like just O20. That's it. Wait, I need to push to talk.
Gosh, I can't. Monkey say no. Oh, I killed you. Yeah. Monkey
So,
say no. Monkey see monkey. Monkey, I'm a poop on you. I'm a poop on you.
okay. So guys, they can't hear me. But if I click push to talk, they could hear me.
It looks so dookie.
So we gotta tag this player. Got red.
Calm down. I just tagged you.
Gotta tag the last people, and I'm gonna go to a tall tree. I'm gonna camp until they start getting mad.
With that dookie hat.
Who do we need to get? I'll just cut to the part.
But you may be
So guys, I just saw them jump down there. Nobody could see me. Oh, my cosmetics. I know it's not that good, but it's good enough that they can't see me. I just gotta be last, but that guy noticed. So I troll some kids. Hey guys, up here! Oh shoot. Shoot.
Quit thinking you can do a bad
They're
There's
around me.
if you go in the voice settings,
They're
there's a
around me.
setting
Guys, they're
where
just
you can
around me. They jump
press
right
hold
here.
for voice.
Guys, should I make it risky and I move
the button to sound like I
to
have
like over
McDonald's
there?
internet.
Am I
Make it
muted or
fun.
something today? Because it's like nobody
So
can.
watch
When they
this.
don't see, I'm gonna jump.
I'm
Yep,
watching
I'm
your
muted.
film.
I see him.
It just means that no one wants to talk to you.
Hey, can,
What?
no, can anybody hear? I completed my
Buddy is
backflip.
camper. We got a wall camper.
Guys,
So we got Hitler lover, wall camper. What else do we got?
I complete my
We
backflip.
got gay lovers.
Yeah. Oh,
We
thank
don't know
God
if he
I
likes
thought my
dudes. He
mic
might like
was
dudes.
muted.
We don't know that yet.
I do. I do.
Let's cap.
I do.
oh no, guys.
I think he does like dudes too.
Let's cap. Let's cap. Let's very big cap.
They caught me.
I don't like you. I like you too. I like you
So
too.
skeevy
They caught me. No. There. And up here. And he does not even know. This is going perfectly. Wait, should I?
Shot.
I failed once. Should I?
Put your
Try doing it again.
Try to be the last one. Try to put your goggles on.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Oh my god. Oh, it's cooking. Wait, don't. Okay, so you're saying the
Without
wall.
anybody noticing.
Oh,
Lava monkeys just joined. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Yes.
oh, wait, last one.
Yes.
Ah! Watch out!
He's trying to get some people.
Oh!
Nobody noticed. This is going perfect.
He actually juked him.
Keep you guys updated.
The last person.
Okay, guys. So the round just ended,
the last
and I'm going up to my spot.
there was two people fighting
Actually,
about
Blue is definitely the prettiest monkey in the whole entire world.
This is so
Really?
cool. Oh my gosh. What?
Very delusional.
My spot
you guys
is gonna be right here.
Are you saying you're ugly?
See, I'm high up. I could see everybody. They can't see
Yeah,
me.
so I guess
Oh,
the Hitler lover
he just saw me.
is-
I tagged you.
He just saw me.
Oh, that makes sense. So, hey, monkey.
No.
I won't say anything. I won't say anything.
Oh,
Blue is
help the tree.
Making a video.
Fall down the tree. Fall down the tree.
So yeah, guys. So guys, I'm officially last. The last person got tagged. Bro, why does this keep popping up?
Watering. Bro,
I'm the last one. The second last got tagged. Did
pink. I can see you.
He's telling me. He's telling me.
Let me show you something on this.
Not a good sign. I think I gotta leave.
Bullets. I know you're
What the frig is that? Oh, I haven't seen that cosmic in a while.
Oh no.
Oh,
he's actually pretty good.
Why? Because he can hit a wall, a tree 2 times? Scale?
Oh yeah. This is exactly why I said that.
Guys, I'm dipping right now.
What?
They're on me. If I could just lose them. Oh shoot, nope. Did not lose them at all. Wait. Oh shoot. Nope, did not lose them. Not. No, I got tagged. So guys, I changed my color code. I don't know if this is better. I think it's better
I have the power.
because it kind of fits in better. So yeah. See, like, look at these dark spots. It's like perfect. Like over there. Oh, there's a lava monkey right there.
None of these people want me to play coconut.
I'm gonna risk it again. Actually, I'm gonna go to a different spot.
Finger painter.
I want to see Fair Painter.
Alright, then follow me.
Okay, that guy almost saw me. You see? Look. I guess. I don't know. Tell me what color code you like more, because I kind of lost the other color code.
Ready?
This guy does not even see me. He's clueless.
2.
Or does he?
You suck.
I almost broke
He's
my
down there.
controller. Shut the fuck up, you black fucking bitch.
Yo, did you guys hear that? That's messed up.
Yeah, don't take her on his body. Yeah, he said.
They don't see me, guys.
That's right.
Look at them. They're clueless. Oh. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Oh, he's right there. I can see him.
There you are. I didn't even see you until you.
Oh, and the color code is 933. Bye.